Episode 8 Bank Reconciliation Statement. Let's take one more question. Balance as per passbook as on 31st December 2016 8,000. Rent paid directly by bank 1,300. Interest paid by bank to customer on deposit 1,400. Bank charges 1,500. Prepare bank reconciliation statement as on 31st December 2016. So this is the format of bank reconciliation statement. Particulars, plus items and minus items. First of all, balance as per passbook. It means the balance as per passbook is given and we have to reach balance as per cash book. Means we have to start our journey from passbook to cash book. And number two, balance as per passbook. It means it is a positive balance, or you can say favorable balance. Positive balance or favorable balance means when the customer has deposit with the bank. The customer has not taken any loan from the bank. It's a positive balance. So first of all, we will start balance as per passbook 8,000 in the plus items. Next transaction. Rent paid directly by bank 1,300. What it means? Means the firm has to pay rent maybe on monthly basis or annually basis, whatever it is. So instead of paying rent directly to the landlord, the firm has instructed the bank to pay the rent out of its account to the landlord. And bank paid the rent to the landlord as per instruction of the firm. It means the bank took 1,300 from our balance and paid to the landlord. Then why is the difference? So we can assume very safely that rent has been paid by the bank, but the firm forgot to enter this transaction in the cash book. This is error by the accountant of the firm. Let's make that T graphic. First cash book on left hand side, passbook on right hand side. But this time the arrow will start from passbook to cash book. Means everything will be added or deducted from passbook to reach equal balance of cash book. So let's see what actually happened. 1,300 was paid by the bank. So what the bank will do? Bank will deduct 1,300 from the passbook. So there was minus 1,300 in the passbook and there was nothing in cash book. Means cash book was showing 0 but passbook was showing 1,300. Now what should be added or deducted from passbook to reach the balance of cash book? Means to reach 0. It means if we add 1,300 in passbook, the net balance will be 0 on both sides. So this will be our answer, plus 1,300. So come to the bank reconciliation statement. Rent paid directly by bank and 1,300 in the plus item. Let's take next item. Interest paid by bank to customer on deposits 1,400. It means we had the deposits with the bank and bank always pays interest on the deposits. To pay the interest on deposits, bank doesn't come to our home with cash. Bank simply increases our balance in the passbook. So it means bank paid 1,400 in our account, but we were not aware. Means the firm or the accountant of the firm was not aware about this transaction. Maybe bank sent the letter, but we lost the letter or something happened. You can say it is due to miscommunication. Means bank communicated, but we couldn't get the message. So let's see what was happening in cash book and passbook. When bank paid 1,400 for interest on deposit, bank immediately added this amount in our balance. Means there was plus item in the passbook 1400, but there was nothing in the cash book. It means passbook was showing 1400, but cash book was showing 0. Now the question is, what should be added or deducted from passbook that both becomes 0? Because we have to start from passbook to cash book. So it will be deducted, means 1400 will be deducted from passbook so that the total on both sides is 0. This is our answer, 1400. So come to the bank reconciliation statement. Interest paid by bank to customer on deposits, 1400 on minus side. Now bank charges 1500. It means bank took the bank charges from our account 1500, but the accountant of the firm is not aware about this transaction. You can say this is error on part of accountant, or you can say this is due to miscommunication. Again, we are coming to that graphic, cash book, passbook. Arrow is from passbook and hitting cash book. Means first we have to write down what actually happened, and then we have to add or deduct from our own side so that the total of passbook is equal to the total of cash book. So when bank charges are taken by the bank immediately takes money from our account, means bank reduces our balance. So what happened in the passbook? Minus 1500. But the cash book was showing nothing because the accountant of the firm was not aware about this transaction. So cash book was 0, but passbook was showing 1500. Now what should be added or deducted from passbook that we can reach the balance of cash book, means we can reach 0? Naturally, we will have to add 1500 and the total on both sides will be 0. So this is our answer, plus 1500. So bank charges 1500 on plus side. So what's the total? 11,800 on plus side, 1,400 on minus side. You can see the total of plus items is higher than minus items. So our answer will be balance as per. This is positive balance. We started our question with passbook and we will be reaching cash book. So balance as per cash book 10,400. Let me tell you, if in any question the total of minus side is higher, it means there is negative balance, means overdraft. So this was the question and solution.